Hey, what's up guys? Uppy here. And in this one, we're talking all about how to improve your business in an off season or a slow period. Let's get into it. So whether you've been in business for many years or just starting out, you're gonna find yourself with periods throughout the year where you're not getting as many leads as you're used to. And though there are many marketing techniques that we can use to get more leads, I wanna save that for another time. Now, being busy in the day-to-day tasks like answering emails, posting on social media, client meetings, shooting and editing, it can become a lot. And we find ourselves so busy that we don't have time to focus on the other aspects of our business. So here are a few important things you can do when you find yourself during one of these times. Number one, a fresh coat of paint. Have you been rocking the same website or cringe every time you see a logo? Well, now we have the time to change all of that. As we grow as people and as creatives, our business should be growing with us. Business is a constantly growing and evolving thing. So take a look at your business through the perspective of your ideal client and honestly ask yourself, do I resonate with this or do I absolutely love it? Because if it's not a hell yeah, then most of the time your clients aren't probably thinking that as well. So it might be time for an upgrade. Now, talking about branding is a huge, enormous mountain that should have its own video. So I'm gonna save that for another time. But in my opinion, branding is how your clients feel and think about after visiting your site. So properly take the time to create something that feels authentic to you, that properly tells your story, that points out your differences and explains why you love to do what you do. Having a logo, a website, and copy that you genuinely deeply connect with goes a long way and will only help you attract your ideal clients even more. Number two, learn new things. Like I said before, business is constantly growing and evolving. So for us to continue to stay relevant and be our best, we have to continue to educate ourselves. Now this can range from things like better photography skills, learning how to do video, better marketing, how to close more sales, or how to direct your couples better. There's so many things that we can improve on. Now I know it seems like a lot, and oftentimes we may think to ourselves, well, where should I begin? But the thing about business is you never become the master of it. There is always something to learn, and that's what I love about it. So whichever area you decide to focus on, just pick one, because by making small steps every day will only compound, and eventually you'll get to a place where you never thought was possible. Or by learning new things, it could put you on an entirely different, new, exciting path, and that's awesome as well. Either way, it's all about trying to be the best that we can be and going from there. Number three, reconnect with yourself. Sometimes being still and having nothing to do can be more beneficial for our business than anything else. The truth is, life gets busy and it gets hard sometimes. And we often pick ourselves up, dust off our elbows, grit our teeth, and push through another day. Now don't get me wrong, I commemorate you for your hard work and your mental toughness, but if we continue to ignore something that is deep within ourselves, it will eventually build up and create much bigger issues than they initially were. So when things are slow, take the time to check in on yourself. Go out and do things you love. Go to the beach, walk your dog, hang out with family, go on that holiday you've always wanted to. Whatever it may be, finally do something for yourself. In business, we constantly are serving other people and we're constantly always giving ourselves to other people. But when things are slow, it's time to take a little piece back and give it to ourselves. You work hard, you go through a lot, and you deserve it. Sometimes the answer to our biggest business problems can often be found when we're not thinking about business at all. I have personally seen so much growth and taken my business to a level that it's never been before simply by making sure I'm okay first. Mental health is a big thing and something that we should be prioritizing more often. So let's make the most of our slow periods. During this time, let's get our branding and story down packed. Let's learn new things and continue to put ourselves and our mental health first, because by doing these things, it will only benefit your business in the long run. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your precious day to hang out with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it educational or entertaining at all, it would absolutely mean the world to me, and I mean it, if you guys left a like and subscribe to my channel. On here, we talk all about business tips, marketing strategies, photography, videography, and helping you create a life you desire. Also, I love to connect with you guys down in the comments section below. So let me know, what is your favorite thing to do outside of your business when you're not busy? Is it surfing? Is it skateboarding? Is it pottery? I don't know. Whatever it may be, I love to find out. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Remember to stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.